Hello everyone, in this issue we present the N62300 series portable DC electronic lock. The N62300 series is a compact DC electronic lock that weighs only 2.6 kilograms, making it exceptionally lightweight and portable. It delivers continuous power from 0 to 200 watts, accepts input voltages up to 80 volts, and supports currents up to 30 amperes. Featuring high accuracy, multi-range capability, and easy to integrate. It is ideally suited for laboratory work, production line testing, low power supply verification, electronic product repair, and a wide variety of other test applications. The front panel integrates a power switch, screen, function keys, knob and input terminals, providing a clean, intuitive, and user-friendly interface. The rear panel offers comprehensive communication and control interfaces, including standard LAN and a S485, along with a slide switch for selecting 110V or 220V AC power. Take the N62300 model as an example. Feature 1. High accuracy and dual-range design. Voltage accuracy 0.05% plus 0.1% at full scale. Current accuracy 0.1% plus 0.1% at full scale. Burst voltage, current, resistance, and power are provided in dual-range configurations, ensuring higher precision measurements across a broad operating envelope. Feature 2. Easy integration, rich interfaces. Up to 6 independent N62300 locks can be mounted in a single 4U chassis, cutting test bay volume by 20% compared with traditional solutions. Standard communication interfaces include a S485 and LAN, enabling high-volume deployment on production lines and 19-inch rack systems. The N62300 series offers 4 operating modes: CC, CV, CR, and CP. Taking CC mode as an example, press the mode key to switch to CC mode. Press View to enter parameter configuration. Use the A and B keys to move the cursor digit by digit. Turn the knob to adjust the set value. Press Enter to save the configured parameter. Press Shift plus mode to toggle the current range. The first press selects the load range. Press Shift plus mode again to switch to the high range CCH. Finally, press the on-off key on the power supply and then the on-off key on the lock. The electronic lock begins operation. In addition, the N62300 series provides advanced features such as SEQ Edit, SEQ Test, IP address, OCP, OAP, OPP, and V-on V-off, etc. You can configure each function or protection limit as required for your specific test. Next, we will demonstrate the PC software. Launch the application and click Hardware Configuration. Then search Device. Once the device is found, click Save and enter the main interface. The main interface is divided into 4 functional panes: Data Chart, Echo Display, Data Logging, Parameter Settings. Data Chart continuously plots real-time voltage versus current and voltage versus time waveforms, offering an intuitive view of trend behavior. Echo Display shows instantaneous voltage, current, power, and resistance in real time. Parameter Settings, quick access panel on the right side. Users may freely select the desired operating mode and configure parameters to match specific test requirements, where users can enter SEQ mode, create or edit program files, and save them for future recall and modification. After clicking Start Recording, data will be automatically saved to historical data. Users can open the data to view test data and waveforms and export and save them in the form of table files.